Welcome to CrossPLANE Nation. I've already removed the stock fender assembly here on this 2018 GSX250R. We're going to relocate the license plate. This wire here is going to be for the license plate running lights, and we're actually going to mount the license plate right here. We're going to drill 2 holes here and here, and then we'll also drill 2 holes on the top of the license plate. And this is where we're going to mount the plate itself. With the passenger seat removed, you need to remove these 2 guys right here. Okay, I have the 2 wires here for the constant on. The black and white is your negative, your gray is your positive, and I set this up whenever I did the blinkers here, and I have a different video that you guys can check out on how I was able to go through and find these wires. Alright, you can see here and here I have the 2 holes drilled in the license plate. These are the lights that we're going to use to illuminate the license plate while the bike is in operation. And what you'll need to do is we'll need to install these first before mounting the license plate. As you can see, they go all the way through the back side of the plate, and they're retained by this nut here. So you'll need to do that to both sides there of the plate. Then we'll mount it. I soldered the 2 black wires and the 2 red wires together. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put these male connectors on each one. Then we'll plug it into the factory wiring. To run the wires, we're actually going to run both of them right here on the left hand side of the tail. To mount the license plate to the bike, we're going to use these 10mm bolts, and I'm going to do a nut washer combo on the inside of the tail there. Have everything taped up and zip tied here. We're ready just to reverse the process, put all the hardware back together, and then we'll test everything out. Have everything hooked up, ready to go. We're going to go ahead and fire this up, see what it looks like.